is Ranjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, sabah al-khair. Tajahao, privilege, Gianu. My students, today we are going to view the use of future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is of great importance. It tells us that the things will be in continuity in coming times. Let's start our lesson on the whiteboard behind. अज़ीज़ तुलबा, आज हम फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस फेल मुस्तक़बिल जारी के बारे में बात करेंगे। ये टेंस की बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है और ये हमें इससे पता चलता है कि आने वाले वक्त में काम जो है उसका तसलसल जो है वो कंटिन्यू है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। आइए अपने सबक का आगाज करते हैं। द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज डेविड विल बी रोइंग again. David will be rowing again. You see that David is a subject in a noun, singular noun is a subject, and will be is a for future tense. Will is a helping verb and be is for continuity, and rowing is a verb form, and again is an adverb. So David will be rowing again. David will be rowing again. डेविड दोबारा कश्ती रानी कर रहा होगा। डेविड दोबारा कश्ती रानी कर रहा होगा। This statement, this sentence indicates that the work will be in continuation in coming times, in coming age, and इस जुमले से अज़ीज़ तुलबा ये ज़ाहिर होता है कि काम जो है आने वाले वक्त में जारी होगा। Let's see the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं। Next statement is, you see here my students, Mary will be playing guitar. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary is a subject and female singular noun. Will is added for future sign, and be for continuation, and playing is a verb form, and guitar is an object and a noun. And Mary will be playing guitar. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary गिटार बजा रही होगी. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary गिटार बजा रही होगी. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary गिटार बजा रही होगी. This is again a beautiful statement, and it shows that the work will continue in coming time. So Mary will be playing guitar. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary गिटार बजा रही होगी. Let's move to the next statement. See my students, next sentence is, अज़ीज़ तुलबा अगला जुमला देखिए, Smith will be hunting fish. 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 Here see again, Smith is a singular noun subject. Will is a helping verb. Be is for the continuity of work, and hunting is a verb form, and fish is a plural of fish. So Smith will be hunting fish. Fish is an object. Smith will be hunting fish. Smith will be hunting fish. Smith मछली का शिकार कर रहा होगा. Smith will be hunting fish. Smith मछलियों का शिकार कर रहा होगा. Smith will be hunting fish. Smith मछलियों का शिकार कर रहा होगा. Smith will be hunting fish. Smith will be hunting fish. Smith मछलियों का शिकार कर रहा होगा. Smith will be hunting fish. खूबसूरत स्टेटमेंट, Smith मछलियों का शिकार कर रहा होगा. Let's move to the next statement. आइए अगला जुमला देखते हैं. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba is a singular female noun. Will is a helping verb. Be is for continuity of a verb, and learning is a basic verb, and French is an object and a noun. So Ruba will be learning French. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba फ्रांसीसी सीख रही होगी. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba फ्रांसीसी सीख रही होगी. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba फ्रांसीसी सीख रही होगी. You see the students, again a beautiful sentence and a statement. अज़ीज़ तुलबा, दोबारा से ये खूबसूरत जुमला है. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba is a female subject, and will is a helping verb. Be is is for the continuity of verb, and learning is a basic verb form, and French is an object and a noun. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba फ्रांसीसी सीख रही होगी. Let's move to the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one is Tina will be cooking biryani. 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 Tina biryani पका रही होगी. Tina is a female subject in a noun. Will is a helping verb, and be is for the continuity of verb. Cooking is the basic verb, and biryani is an object and a noun. So Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina biryani बना रही होगी. Tina biryani बना रही होगी. Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina biryani बना रही होगी. Again, you see my students, Tina is a female subject. Will is a helping verb. Be is added for the continuity of work in passive, and cooking is a basic verb form, and biryani is an object and a noun. So Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina biryani बना रही होगी. Tina biryani पका रही होगी. And next one is boys will be taking annual test. 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 लड़के सालाना इम्तिहान दे रहे होंगे. Here we have to make some correction. Test, T-E-S-T. So here you are, my students. Boys will be taking annual test. Boys will be taking annual test. लड़के सालाना इम्तिहान दे रहे होंगे. लड़के सालाना इम्तिहान दे रहे होंगे. Boys is a plural subject and a noun. Will is a helping verb. Be is for the continuity in passive, and taking is the basic verb form. Annual test is an object. Annual test is an object. Exams at the end of the year, after completing a year exam. So boys will be taking annual test. Boys will be taking annual test. लड़के सालाना इम्तिहान दे रहे होंगे. Boys will be taking annual test. लड़के सालाना इम्तिहान दे रहे होंगे. My students, you see, these are very beautiful statements. In future continuous tense, फेल माजी जारी, आने वाले वक्त में इंडिया में मिल रहा है कि आने वाले वक्त में जो है वो काम जारी होगा. And these are very important statements in positive affirmative statements. Let's repeat them again. एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. First one is, you see my students, David will be rowing again. David will be rowing again. David will be rowing again. David दोबारा कश्ती रानी कर रहा होगा. David will be rowing again. David दोबारा कश्ती रानी कर रहा होगा. Next statement is Mary will be playing guitar. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary गिटार बजा रही होगी. Mary will be playing guitar. Mary गिटार बजा रही होगी. And next is Smith will be hunting fish. 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 Smith मछलियां पकड़ रहा होगा. Smith मछलियों का शिकार कर रहा होगा. Smith will be hunting fish. Smith मछलियों का शिकार कर रहा होगा. And next is Ruba will be learning French. 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 Ruba फ्रांसीसी सीख रही होगी. Ruba फ्रांसीसी सीख रही होगी. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba will be learning French. Ruba फ्रांसीसी सीख रही होगी. And next is Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina biryani पका रही होगी. Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina biryani पका रही होगी. Tina will be cooking biryani. Tina biryani पका रही होगी. And last one is boys will be taking annual test. 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 लड़के सालाना इम्तिहान दे रहे होंगे. Boys will be taking annual test. लड़के सालाना इम्तिहान दे रहे होंगे. My students, these are very important. These are very important sentences in future continuous tense. These show that the verb will continue in the coming age, in the coming time. I wish you all the best. memorize these statements. I'll see you again. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.